So let's start solving MEXT 2013 Math B. Okay, question 1.2. So you have this question over here, and he wants to know the value of x and epsilon. But the thing is that you have only one equation, and you don't know any of the two variable, and still you have another one that is k that technically you don't know. But he is telling you that this is valid, this if 2k is valid for every k, and this should help you a lot because you can choose any k you want, any k, it is valid for every k. Okay, now how, the question is how would you choose this k? Now think about it, and I'm going to give the answer now. Okay, so we want the value of x. Now notice that there is a number multiplying the epsilon, okay, and this number is k minus 2. This number multiplies epsilon, right? Okay, so but we don't want epsilon over here because we only want x, right? Because our goal now is to find x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose that k is equal to 2. Can I do this? Yes, he is telling me that k, this is valid for every k, so I can choose whatever k I want, right? Now, why did I choose 2? Well, because 2 minus 2 equals 0, and in this way I will cancel the part that I have epsilon. Now, if you have difficulty with this, stop the video and think about it, okay? So, now I'm going to write it again with choosing k equal 2, okay? So I'm having 2 versus k, so 2 versus 2 plus 1 x minus, well, minus 0 versus epsilon, so it become it becomes 0, okay? This part over here will become 0, okay? So I will have resting 3 and 3 versus k, but k, remember we chose it 2, okay? This is not 22, okay? This is 2 versus 2, and here is 3 versus 2 minus 1. Remember, this is equal to 0, okay? Now look, by choosing k equals 2, we have only numbers and one variable, which is x, okay? So 2 versus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 over here. 5x plus, now plus 3 versus 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. It goes to the other side, minus 5. So I'm going to have that x is equals minus 1, and we already answered one part of it, okay? So the other part of it is that he want, what, where did the question go? What? Oh, this is very weird. Let me take the question again over here. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Very good. So the other part is very similar. He wants you to do the same thing but to find epsilon. Now now please try to do it by yourself, but so I hope you tried, but now let us do it. Now if we want epsilon, so we want to cancel the x, and how do we cancel the x? Well, there is a number multiplying the x. This number over here, right? So how do we cancel it? Well, this part over here that is multiplying the x must equal to 0. And what number do we choose for key for this? I didn't want to do this. 1 second. Okay. don't understand what's happening, but that's okay. Let's just continue. So this one we needed to cancel, right? So that part, for it to cancel, we need to choose k is equal to minus 1/2. Why? Well, if you want, just equal this part to 0, okay? 2k minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. The 1 goes to the other side. We will have minus 1 equals to 2k. Alright, so k will equal to minus 1/2. And now you will do the same thing that we did previously to finding the x. Yeah, I don't. It's. I have an idea. Wait a second. Yes. Ah, okay. I understand. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Now we can continue. So by now it's just counting numbers, okay? So we are choosing k equals to minus 1/2. So the x part will cancel, remember. So we will have minus 1/2. I'm taking the part that is multiplying epsilon right now, okay? Minus, and k is minus 1/2, minus 2 epsilon. Okay. Minus 2 epsilon plus 3. 3 versus minus 2. 3 divided by 2 minus 1. Well, solving this, now you have only one variable, and you will find that epsilon is equal to 1. Okay, just solving this.